Hey everybody, XJoe81X and on the tubes today. It's that time again. November 1st, 2023. Little early, but there's a chill in the house. See, what happens is the house gets hot and cold and whatever. Excuse me. And even if you open up the doors and windows, you get a chill. And the chill is just enough for a hoodie, a blanket. But when you have kids, what I like to do is get the chill out at 70, and then it gets hot, and then put it to 62. But I want to make sure, Jesus Christ, I want to make sure that November 1st, everything works. So here's the setup. You guys seen all the videos. Here's everything. It's all this wonky stuff. Who knows? I don't know if anything's leaking. So I vacuum the top. I vacuum all the dust, all these on top of these areas. I like to go up here, and all the thermostats are set to 50, or the electronic ones are off. So we're going to go up to the living room. I'm going to do that one first. The bedrooms we'll see, but the living room is the one with the chill. So this is all HD digital now. You could add all this stuff in. I think Jay says that I could add some stuff in here and then run a wire to the north side or something, or the west side, and it actually will turn on if it realizes it's too cold. I don't know. Right. So it's at the same pressure. It's not on. It's on standby, SCA, which is status, and number 1 means standby. So I'm going to shut the lights, put you down here because you like the flame, and I'm going to turn on the thermostat. Hopefully this is a good view. Stand by. Okay, hopefully you got that. This says 8. Let me turn the light on. Oh, I think there's a light here. Nope. Alright, so you heard all the noises. You have zone 3. Zone 3 is up, goes to the living room, goes that way. You have the flame on. Number 8 says it's running. Another electronic year. Again, I don't put this on in October. You have the flame. You have the best I could. It cleaned out. We'll put the cover on. We'll go upstairs. This has to get hot. It's warm now. It has to get up to operating temperature. I put it on 90. Whoa, something fell. Oh, look at that. That's when things fall and burn out. Whether it's I don't know, stuff that's in here. So that's that. I'll go upstairs. There's a radiator under the window. I'll wait till this gets like operating temp. I'll move the couch. I'll vacuum behind it and then bleed it. And by the time I'm done vacuuming, this will be at 100 and whatever. So that's me turning on the boiler for the 2023 season. Thank you for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe. Any other questions? Thank you.